नमस्ते गाइस, मास्टर प्रवीण। आशा करता हूँ कि आप सभी लोग स्वस्थ हैं, खुश हैं और अपनी योगा की प्रैक्टिस आप डेली कर रहे हैं। सो आई एम हेयर टू गिव यू अनदर अपडेट। फर्स्ट अपडेट अबाउट द अर्ली मॉर्निंग योगा क्लास बैच। आई एम गेटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ रिक्वेस्ट अबाउट इट। काफ़ी रिक्वेस्ट आ रही थी कि अर्ली मॉर्निंग सर स्टार्ट कीजिए। सो आई एम गोइंग टू बी स्टार्ट early morning yoga class package that will be only based on the 10 classes, and this batch can be for all. Means I will give you some different concept classes in this batch. इसमें आपका beginner level भी रहेगा, आपकी mixed classes भी रहेंगी और different theme पर different concept पर इसमें आपकी classes रहेंगी। और the timing will be for this batch, it will be morning 6:30 to 7:30 AM, and this batch will be start from 27 of May to until 5th of June. इसमें जो 10 classes रहेंगी, these all 10 classes will be on the regular basis, on the continuous basis. Means 27 to until 5th of June, it will be continuously. And I already explained about the classes. You can find each and every style of the classes in this batch. So anybody can join it. Anybody beginner level, intermediate level, or even if somebody want to go challenge level, so they can also join this batch. So it can be for all. And the another update about I'm going to be start my another YTTC, that will be 30-hour online Hatha Yoga YTTC. Means this training will be this time, it will be based on the Hatha Yoga. Hatha Yoga is one of the very common and very well known yoga style in India, and almost all practices, all the forms of the yoga, it comes from the Hatha. So that will be also affiliated from the Yoga Lens USA, and the certificate you will be get from under YACEP. And anybody can be join this course. Means this course I designed especially who are seeking for some basic information about the yoga. Somebody seeking for become a yoga teacher. If you are a yoga teacher, you have some doubt, so some doubts you will be clear in this batch. Means we will be let me tell you some major content about it. I'll be focused on 20 major traditional Hatha yoga asanas in that certificate course. And that categories will be include all like back and hip and arm and shoulder, and all these asanas will be also, I'll be put all the modifications, all the techniques on the alignment and all. And I will take you some another level of the practices, some basic information and introduction about the yoga, about the asanas, the meaning, type, forms, category, level, etc. Basic introduction about the pranayama, bandha, shatkarma, including a little theory and practical. You know my technique that when I take you, even my theory practices is also I always combine with the practical, because just learning on the theory, so might be you will get bored. So theory के अंदर भी जो whatever we practice in the theory, I will let you practice at the same time, so that कि आप किसी भी चीज़ को practical level पर करेंगे, so you can be better understand about that. So that was my topic and my target in that course. And I will take also one topic on the teaching methodology, especially for a yoga teacher, because even you are a yoga teacher, you should know some basic things, some basic common things which you need to be developed in yourself. So I will take a one topic in that. I will also take a one topic on sun salutation, just traditional sun salutation. Might be you already get my one video on that, but in this course I will give you the deeper explanation about the traditional sun salutation. What does mean by sun salutation? What are the 12 forms of the sun salutation? What are the mantras of the sun salutation? We will go each and every details about the sun salutation. And different concept basis इसमें classes रहेंगी. The classes will be all different bases like the hip, the back, the twist. I will combine each and all kind of the practices. And one main thing, this is not like if you are seeking somebody beginner or somebody advanced, everybody can join this course, especially if you are a beginner, or especially if you are a yoga teacher, or especially if you are seeking and you want to be a yoga teacher. कुछ basic चीजें हैं जो आपको पता होनी चाहिए, that I will try my best, I will give you my best. And another thing like about the course will be continuously Monday to Friday. It will be morning 6:30 to 7:45 AM. Means weekdays the classes will be for 75 minutes. These all 75-minute classes will be based on totally on the practical basis. And weekend I choose Saturday and Sunday. Weekend the classes will be for the 2 hours, 6:30 to 8:30 AM. In this 2 hours I will explain a little bit theory. We will go some the Shatkarma, the Pranayama, the detox. All these practices will be do in the weekend basis. So its start date will be 6th of June. 6th of June is a Saturday and 7th of June is a Sunday. Means I will start this course from 6th of June, and ultimately the idea is about this course to finish is somewhere is about 25th of June. If some situation might be, so maybe a little bit time up and down, but as per this situation the course will be start on 6th of June and finish on the 25th of June. And I'm running my yoga for flexibility course. Thank you so much for giving a very good response. It will be very amazing that in my batch it's about 75 students in my yoga for flexibility, and still I'm getting a lot of requests that sir we want to go for that. But now almost 8 or 9 classes has been done. We go some basic concepts, some basic alignment, some movements, some core principles, and now we totally focus on the practices. So it's going very well. And after this course, then my short course are coming up very soon, which time to time I will give you all update about it. So okay guys, so if you are interested to join the early morning yoga class batch, or if you are interested to join my 30-hour YTTC, so you all are welcome to join. You still have for the early morning class batch is you do not have enough time because it's only 2 days left, because it's going to be start from Wednesday and from the YTTC we have a little time, you can think, and the seats are the limited. So if you are interested, so I'm mentioning my phone number, my WhatsApp number and my email under this video. You can go through that. You have some another query, so you can message to me. I already have all the details about it, like the system, the pricing with certificate or without certificate, how to pay, for everything. You can find each and every details. You can send message to me, then I can send personal message to you. So thank you very much and take care. Waiting for your message, waiting for your response. Thank you guys. Hari Om, Om Shanti, Namaste.